up guys, welcome back. So today we have Selene by Nicole Zenfania. If I pronounce it right, if I pronounce it wrong, forgive me, sorry. So we have no capo for this song. I just want to show you one main bass riff which we have for the song, which goes in the top string, like the E and the A string, and one strumming pattern which you can just apply on the chord shapes. So just have a look at the structure, then we just gonna quickly begin with the song. We have the verse, then we have the pre-chorus, then we have the hook. After the hook we have a verse, a pre-chorus and a hook, which is the last part, and it's a bit long. So let's get started, and we don't need any capo for this song, you can see. So the first chord for the song will be a D major, which is mute 0 2 3 2. Now if you just take this chord and lower down one fret, or just go back one fret, it's actually a C sharp or a D flat. So in that case you're actually playing mute. So the G, E and the A string are muted, and the the A string, D string and the E string is muted, and the G one fret, B second fret, and the high E string third fret. And the next chord we need is F sharp minor, which is 2 4 4 2 2 2, and you can obviously play it like this. A lot easy. Now these are three chords we need for the song, and we have two chord progression. So let's get started with this bass that we have over here. So it's a lot easy. So just have a look at the tab. There's a bit change in the rhythm for the song, and so make sure that you keep an eye over there. So we start off playing a 5th fret on the E string. Then we have, I'm just going to show you an advanced technique, but before that learn the basic. After doing that, 5th fret on the E string, I play 5 and then 7 on the E string. So we got da da da, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and like that, 1 and 2 and. So and the next part we have, we play 5th fret on the A string 4 times, then 4th fret on the A string 4 times, then we play 7th fret on the E string, and we go back to the 5th fret on the E string. So we got. Now obviously you're just gonna alternate your picking. Obviously go down up, don't go down 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 down. So go down down up, down up down up down up down up. So see what I'm doing, down. With your pick you're doing down down up, down up down up down up down up down up down down up, da, 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 da. So basically what I do is in between, like 1 and 2 and 3, to fill those, and in some way I just do some muted down up down up down up on the string. So I always keep my wrist moving. In that I'm just getting down 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 down. So in this case you just keep your pick moving down up down up down up down up down up down up down, going in the E and A string, and when you want you just place the frets and you actually get the note. So you got. So that's it for the bass riff, and now just have a look at the chord progression for the verse and the pre-chorus. We start off playing a D major chord, then you have F sharp minor, then we have a C sharp or the D flat, and then we have a F sharp minor. This goes for the verse and pre-chorus, and one down is enough for that. Or I'm just going to introduce another chord string pattern which you can just play. So we actually start. So when she starts singing, you just gonna count 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So when you go to the third count, you're just gonna play the D major chord. So we have 1 2 3 4. Rest for 1 2 3 4. Next time when you just go to 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. See what I'm doing? Just keep your ear open. It's already open, but just concentrate on this part, on the rhythm. What are you doing? So she starts singing. We just gonna count 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made a mistake over here. Just gonna play that all the chords on the third count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. In this way, you're just gonna play the whole thing for the verse and the pre-chorus. And for the hook, which we have, the chord progression just changes slightly. We start off with the F sharp minor chord, then a D, then a C sharp or a D flat, then back to F sharp minor. So we get F sharp minor, D, D flat, F sharp minor. And what we do over here is so we actually go like this. We do down, down. We do down, and after that we just keep our hand on the string to get the sound muted. And again we repeat with another down and keep our hand on the string to get it muted. So we got on the F sharp minor. And repeat that one more time. So go. So I play it over here, F sharp minor. I move on to D major. Then you play C sharp. Back to F sharp minor. Bar chord. I went a bit wrong, but this is actually basically a string pattern. It's a lot confusing. We have down there because for this song we don't have anything like a lot funky string pattern to play over here. So we got down, 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 down. Move on next chord. Down, 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 down. So let's play it a couple of times on F sharp minor, D, C sharp, back to F sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you play the D major chord or the C sharp chord, keep in mind that with your thumb you are just muting the E, A and D so they don't get ring out and you will get the bass note of a D major chord. So just keep your hand over here. And that's almost everything for this lesson. We don't have anything to learn. We have the next verse, then we have the next pre-chorus, then we have the next, I think it's hook, long hook, same thing. There's not much chord strumming to play over here. So let's keep the lesson till here. Make sure to subscribe because in this month I want to reach 2,000 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe, stay notified. Tomorrow is Friday, so a lot of new music is coming. Maybe tomorrow I may be uploading likely 12 videos, so it's gonna be a hard day for me, but still keep supporting. Make sure dropping one of these, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.